Hi, Miss.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, Miss. How are you?
I'm good too. How is school going?
School's going okay, just a lot of tests recently.
Uh, what subjects do you have, by the way?
I took psychology, business, biology, chemistry, and math and English are compulsory.
All right. That's a nice combination of subjects.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't really have a choice with business. It was either computer science or art with business. So I'm not
Oh,
very artistic and I'm not really into computers.
that makes sense. All right, let's get started. Since it's officially the first class, we'll be starting off with the basics. And the topic we'll be doing today is atomic structure. All right?
Uh, oh, Miss, we already finished this. We're doing organic chemistry in school right now.
Yeah, I know, but I need to start with the basics, right?
All right, all right. Okay.
Right? So we'll start with this topic today. Okay. First, we'll be studying. I mean, this is very basic. You might already know all of this, but it's part of the syllabus, so we'll have to study it. Okay. So first, we talk about state changes. Okay. So here, what's happening here is, what do you call the process when ice turns to water?
Ice turns to it's melting,
Yeah. It's called melting. What do you call when water goes to ice?
freezing.
Yeah, it's called either freezing or solidification. Water going to a vapor form. What is that?
Water to vapor, that's evaporation.
Great. That's also called vaporization. What is vapors turning to water called?
Condensation.
Great. What is this process called? Vapors turning to
Uh,
ice.
Vapor is turning to ice. This is gas to sublimation, right?
Great, very good.
And then ice to water. I mean, ice to vapors is deposition.
Yeah. This process is not in the syllabus, but it's still right there. Great. Great. So now we move forward. Now we move to types of matters. Here we have two categories. One is called a pure substance, and the other one is called a mixture. So basically, substances are all things that are pure, do not have any impurities, while mixtures are substances that can be pure, but they are with some sort of impurities. What can be an example for a mixture?
Or a mixture, salt and water.
Yeah, salt and water, or maybe even seawater. The seawater
Yeah,
contains impurities, right?
yeah.
And in pure substances, we can have two other further categories where this can either be an element or this can be a compound. So when we're talking about elements, these can be iron because it has the same type of particles, right?
Yeah.
Of particles. While when we're talking about compounds, we could talk about carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, or water. Okay. These have different elements that make a compound. Okay. Now let's talk about the atomic structure. Okay.
Yeah.
What is an atom? I'll also be writing the definitions here. So I'll be putting this as a PDF on Drive, and then I'll be sending you the link to it. So the Drive link is going to contain all the lectures we're going to be doing, right?
Okay, that's great. Okay, thanks, Miss.
No problem. It's the smallest particle of an element that takes part in a chemical reaction. You need to learn all of these definitions by heart. Okay, you can't you can't just wing it. You need to write all of these definitions as it is in your exam.
Miss, I have a question for
Yeah,
the classes that we're gonna do now. Are we just gonna do physical what's the principles of chemistry right now, like the first unit of the textbook?
no, we're going to cover the whole CI syllabus.
Okay, okay.
Like the last chapter is organic, right?
Yeah, the last chapter is organic.
Yeah, we're going to do it till there. But this is like the first very basic
Okay.
chapter. You've probably done it in sixth grade or seventh grade, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is part of the syllabus. You need to know all of it. Okay. So this is an example of elements taking part in a reaction to make a compound. All right. So what does the structure of an atom look like? This is your nucleus. Hello.
I didn't hear you.
Now,